Hello, we are in Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary right now. We are at Beldanda Waterpoint. So with the help of our donors, we have done a solar system of 1 HP out here. We have given water to two most important water bodies of this wildlife sanctuary, the Beldanda Waterpoint and the Fireline Waterpoint. So this one, if you can see, the water is here at Beldanda Waterpoint. From here we have given at some distance out there inside to the other side of the road, there is Fireline Waterpoint. We have given water to both the water bodies. This is the prime area of Beldanda female and her cubs. She has raised most of her litters in this area. The current litter has also been raised here. So very important place for tourism on the main tourism road. The tourists see water here, and the tourists see the tigers out here very regularly. So we are very happy that we have given water here, and there will be lot more tiger sightings out here in this area as well.